Thanks for tuning in for another Essential RC flight test, and we have got the new Tomahawk FPV flying wing made by Durafly and from our friends at hobbyking.com. Now this is a mini FPV flying wing. It's 670 millimeters wingspan, 360 millimeters length, so it's a good size, but it's going to fit on the passenger seat of your car if you want to go flying after a long day at work. It's plug and fly, so virtually no assembly to do. You're just going to have to put your receiver in, your flight battery, and then you're ready to go flying. Comes with ball links on the control surfaces for really controlled flying. A fast access battery hatch. Decal sets are in red, blue, green and orange, so you can pick your favorite color and go with that. And it's going to be really easy to install FPV equipment if you do actually want to go FPV flying with this wing. Well, let's not hang around. Let's take the components out of the box. Let's see what we get. Okay, so these are all the components out of the box. So looking at the wing first, you can immediately see that the servo's already in place, and we've just got to put the control rods in place, and they are in a bag here with the propeller. So very easy to connect those up, and a little bit of Velcro in there as well for securing the speed controller. We've also got these little foam pieces for the vertical stabilizer on each wing. They can glue in place quite easily. You can see we've got the motor in place already as well. If I take the battery hatch off, you can see we've got the speed controller in place, and that is a 20 amp Aerostar with an XT60 connector, good for 3S or 4S apparently. So for a 3S you can go with a 1300 to 1400 milliamp hour pack, 4S 1000 milliamp hour pack for that extra bit of speed, I suspect, on 4S. Now it comes with two battery hatches, interestingly. So this first one with the battery strap on the outside, so you can put your flight battery on the outside, suited to if you put your FPV gear in here, I suspect, and it takes up space in here, your camera and your video transmitter, so you probably wouldn't be able to get a battery in here. You might be able to, but maybe not. But they provide you with this option so you can put the flight battery on the outside. They also give you the version, so if you don't go with FPV gear and you can put the flight battery in there, then you have a hatch that keeps the fuselage nice and clean and low drag, so you'll be even able to go even quicker, and your battery will be inside and protected. So choose the option you want to go for. Last thing to mention is that you get the 4 different decal sets. You get orange, green, red and blue, and I'm going to go with, I'm not sure which I'm going to go with. Actually, I'd normally go with red. That's going to be the toughest decision to make, putting this little thing together. So I'm going to do that now, and next time you see this we'll have it down the flying field, and we're going to see how quick it goes on a 4S pack.
No, we'll wait until we go down. Martin, can you hand launch? Cheers. Right, let's go down here. Any particular technique?
Dom's rainbow sock there, he loves that.
That's a shallow chuck, it's got a lot of power. If I can just hold it from out, I've just got to do an intro. Oh yeah, go for it.
Yeah, get out the picture.
Right, so here we are, we've got the...
we've got
edit out the cough.
Coughing.
All the smokers we got in.
Surrounded by amateurs, aren't we, Dom? Hey?
What can we do?
Shoot them all.
Alright, so here we go. We've got the new Durafly Tomahawk FPV wing ready to go. We've put a 4S 1300 pack in it, a little bit heavier than recommended, but so it might be a little bit nose heavy on takeoff, but we'll trim that out. So let's see how fast this goes. Martin's going to hand launch it. Martin, there you go. Okay. Let's wander down a little bit. Yeah, we'll go that way. You ready, Al?
I'm always ready, Dom. I was born ready. so quick I can't follow it.
Easy to fly.
Might be easy to fly, but it's not easy to follow with your erratic flying.
Well, the interesting, you can pull really tight turns and it doesn't flick out. That's because it's so rigid, I guess. It's got a little bit of carbon in it. It slows down nicely as well.
Come the other way, go around the dog walkers.
Ready, Al? I think the battery's low now. So bring it in. Well. That's a shame. I just broke the prop on the long grass, but never mind. That's easily replaced. But really easy to fly. Tracks really nicely. Pulled some high G turns and it doesn't flick out. Really good. So look it up on hobbyking.com. That's the new Durafly Tomahawk FPV wing. We'll try it out FPV soon. Yeah, really soon. We'll put some FPV gear in it. Thanks for watching. See you next time.
Might be easy to fly, but it's not easy to follow with your erratic flying.
Well, the interesting, you can pull really tight turns and it doesn't flick out. That's because it's so rigid, I guess.